Las Vegas Boulevard, baby. There it is, there's the Hera. Alright, clear out some traffic here. We can see the wonderful Las Vegas sign.
It's my kind of town.
Welcome to Las Vegas. I guess it's more thanks for visiting Las Vegas at this point, because we're way on the north end of the strip. But look, there's already some showgirls right there.
Kiss my Converse.
Smell hard weed. Hard weed. Alright, what we're looking for here is we are looking for the alleys. We're looking for the alleys with the graffitis. But I think it's over that way. Oh, look at this place. This is where all the, you know, extracurricular activities happen. Strippers. There it is. Strip club. And a wedding chapel. And a wedding chapel. Another wedding chapel. So much love in the air. Hey look, there's the pawn shop.
Just for laughs, what do you want for it?
The old Vegas. Get some tattoos. You get a dragon tattoo right now? Wave? No wave? Yeah, we got a wave. Where we're going, it's kind of sketch. But you really got to check this place out. I know you see a motel sign, but that's the FBI building. Right there. Let's go, yeah, let's go this way. I think this is where we gotta go. Check out the Lambo. He waved. Gave a good wave. Think he'll make it into the final cut? I don't know, what are we gonna call this? Vegas shenanigans? Vegas traffic lights is what we're gonna call it. If this traffic light doesn't change, I'm about to walk this right through that intersection there. So you're allowed to walk it, by the way, guys. Down here, it's like Arts District or something. Let's go check out First Street. Let's see what First Street. I think it's First Street. Holy shit, this is it. Okay, maybe it's down that road. Well, it's got to be down that road because let's go down this way. Shit, I'm lost. I got lost. Oh well. Wait a second. Wait, here's some graffiti. You know, it might be down this way somewhere. Yes. This is it. This is it. Somewhere in this area, there's a crazy little graffiti town. Maybe it's up here. Oh, this is it. Check this out. Graffiti Central. This is it. Check out this spot. This is where you used to find like the best graffiti in town, and now it's just, it used to be such good artwork. Damn. Damn, we're talking like Rick and Morty and cartoons and let's go down here. Still have some fun. We're gonna go find the strip. Oh, I hope that audio comes through. Alright, down the strip or up the strip? Let's go down the strip. Yeah, I say we go down the strip. Technically, I guess lane splitting is not legal here, but we're gonna make it happen because we're not gonna put up with this bullshit. The ships. The pirate ships. Holy shit! Dude! Is it an original?
Yeah, it's not a bank.
No?
No.
What?
I like it when it's not.
Right on. Hey! Hey, you again!
Kiss my Converse.
So this is the city we're f***ing around with. Oh, the Myers is behind us. I'm gonna call it a Myers anyway. Alright, so this is the Bellagio. So they're putting in a stage for something because They do that once in a while. Look at this. That's a pretty cool intersection. That restaurant right up there. I don't know if you guys can see this. Right there. People sitting on the side up there, like 10 feet above. What? I'm fucking going later, dudes. Prada, Aria, Silica. I don't know if I'm getting pulled over. If I am, if I'm getting pulled over, you'll hear sirens. And that's just the sounds that we'll hear. The city sounds, if you will. Damn. Can we go right to the front here? I think we can. Yeah, I think we're gonna. This traffic is just insane. And the engine's still running. This bike is on fire right now. I don't know how this thing is still running at all. But we're gonna go cool this thing off. Best place to go cool this thing off is probably gonna be the fountains at the Bellagio, maybe, would be a good spot to cool it off. There's a semi truck here that's just gonna be like yep, 50 north, stop, is it clear? Yep, it's clear. Holy shit. How are you gonna go 15 north, man? Lane split. Going to a close one. I guess at this point we just ride down the right side, huh? Okay, Pops. What are you doing here? I'm out of here. Okay, we're gonna cut it.